History was to be made at the Bossard Arena as either EV Zug or Mountfield HK would get to the semi-finals of the Champions Hockey League for the first time in their history. The first leg was a tight, tense affair that ended 1-1, and Zug came out in the first period with purpose, hoping to get that all-important first goal. Hoffman with the first attempt, stoned by Mazanec. But the chances kept coming. A few power play opportunities for Zug. This time hitting the post, Mazanec not forced into making a save. This chance was possibly the pick of the bunch. Schender found himself all alone in front of Mazanec, but simply couldn't execute. They were chances that Zug would come to rue. As the second period was nothing but an exercise in clinical finishing. The first, Petr Kukal picking up the rebound and making no mistake, slotting in the empty cage. It got worse for the home team. Good work in behind the net. Left Smolenyak out in front and through the tightest of angles. Put it over the shoulder of Giannoni and doubled the advantage. If the second question marks were asked about the goaltender, there was absolutely no mistaking. The third was of pure quality, a blast that went past the glove of Giannoni and left a hill to climb for Zug. And it could have got worse, but Marcinski, with great work, dazzled his way through the Mountfield defence, but he simply couldn't find a way past Mazanec. Then the cherry on top, Smolenyak was patient. He picked his pass, and Halupa found Twine and found it oh so fine, and send Mountfield into the semi-finals for the first time in their history.